everybody, my name is Matthew the RBX Man here. Different video this one. I'm starting it in the car for a reason, because I just got out of Walmart. I went to my local Walmart to do one thing only. Do you guys know what that is? I went to take a look and see if they had the new 2026 Thomas merch, and shockingly, they did. And I went in, however, they did not. Well, I guess you can kind of count it as diecast. They had some diecast merch. They only had the Thomas and Friends Animal Park pack with Thomas, Rosie, and Edward. Now, I would have gotten that, but I'm gonna be fair with you. I don't like the designs on the engines, okay? But just, I don't like them. I'm gonna be fair with you guys. I don't like them at all. But instead, what I ended up getting, I didn't get the motorized. Not yet. I was gonna get it. I was super close to getting it, but I stepped back. I said, let's take this opportunity to get this big item. What big item, you might ask? This guy. The giant whistling Thomas. So, I saw this in the store. Originally, I was going to get it off Amazon. I'll talk more about this when I get home. See you there. Alrighty guys, so welcome back. So if you, so we're back at my house now, and as you guys saw in that intro bit, I finally got one. The giant whistling Thomas. Oh my god, where do I even start? This thing looks super neat. So, if you didn't know, Mattel finally woke up and decided to start releasing good Thomas stuff. So, 2025, we got the 80th anniversary 3-pack that had Thomas, Percy, James, Gordon, Nia, and all of that other crap. But now, they took it to the next level, and so now, to actually promote the new reboot that's coming out next month, they have put out some new merch, and this is one of them, the giant whistling Thomas. And wow, this thing's awesome. I'm so stoked. It's such a beauty. I'm sorry if it goes shaking for a minute. Sometimes I'm using my tripod for the review because I want it to be a good video. But anyway, I don't even know where to begin. So I think we should just stop rambling and unbox this thing. I have really wanted one of these. They got a random, see? If you guys want these, pay attention. Actually, I'm gonna flip the camera like this so you guys can see how, see? That was so easy. Right, so now we go. Oh, no, there's another one over here. Okay, I'm sorry, I almost opened it wrong. There we go. And then we go. If this gets frustrated for me, I'll just, I will, fast forward it for you guys, so yeah. Oh no, do I have to go and get scissors? I don't want to. Yes, I got one. Got one out, that's good. The second one I think is gonna be a pain in the bunker. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so we take these things out. There's one. And then here comes the second one if I can get it. I'm pulling on the wrong thing, Matthew, you dingus. video. That was the best box design. Not. Okay. That was hot. Okay, after taking 9,000 weeks to open the damn thing, I'm gonna go throw that away soon after this video. Ugh, I've got boxes everywhere. We finally have them. Boy, he looks so damn beautiful. That's cool. He's such a good. He rolls so smooth. Like, if you guys ever saw those Strasbourg Thomas dummy units from the Day Out with Thomas events, this is this, but like 10 times better. No, I'm not saying the reboot is 10 times better than the CGI era. Don't know, don't care, don't rant. But I'm saying it's just like that. Also, I hate the fact how this middle wheel is not attached to the rod, so it's just like re-rolling. It's so kind of annoying, but I don't care. Of course, this is really meant just to be a... But yeah, he looks so detailed. I want to bring in a light, but I don't have a good one. I got a good light over on my right, but I'm too far away for that, so yeah. Where do we start? The face, it looks so accurate to what we saw in the trailer, if you guys saw that trailer. If you guys saw that reaction video I did to the trailer, the new 2026 trailer, I will, it's on my YouTube channel, so if you guys want to check it out, check out that last video. Anyway, yeah, it looks so accurate to what we saw back on the trailer video. It looks really good, and it's really well detailed. We got that iconic splash of white on the rainbow, which you typically don't see on these Thomas toys. You get them only when you get something really exclusive, like from Japan. Like, also, let me do this. Some of you guys don't own this, and some of you are probably gonna be like, Matthew, how big is this Thomas? Well, to give you some sort of scale reference for how big this Thomas is, here is a Tomy Playroll Thomas for scaling. That's how big this is. It's ginormous. But even still, you can see the Playroll Thomas still has a lot of good details. It's got the white running board, it's got those lamp irons, it's got the lamp, and it's still pretty cool. Now, Playroll Thomas, get out of here, we don't need you. Thank you. But despite the fact of some of the details not being fully there, I like it. We got a headlight, and it's the yellow. It's actually we got the inside painted yellow. So that's cool. Thanks for the help. Of course, the whistle feature. You're gonna play with that all day, but it's pretty cool. I like this. And then everyone likes this feature, and I'm gonna show it off on camera here. You've got the inside of the cab, and it's kind of hard to see, but if you look carefully, you can see. I'm trying to explore some of the light out of the sun here. If you look carefully, you can see really interesting detailing inside. They're not painted, unfortunately, but you know what? I should take care of it. Apart from that, that's basically all I gotta show you. This Thomas is a really neat addition to my ever-growing Thomas the Tank Engine collection. It's definitely one for an amazing trip down memory lane. If you want to pick one up, I highly advise it. I got mine at my local Walmart for a total of $24. And that might seem high, but to be fair, I was originally going to get this on Amazon. But when I went to order it, they said the price was going to be a total of $40 freaking dollars. And I said, no, I'm not paying $40 for that Thomas. But seeing it in person now, I can kind of understand why they were going to pay me the way that they wanted to. Because it's a big Thomas, but even still, I don't think $40 is not worth it. For this, $24 is a much suited price for this thing. I mean, anyway, real quick before we wrap up, I'm gonna say this. The face, I'm getting used to it. I'm pretty much over the fact Thomas has like a child voice and blue eyes and stuff like that. And it's literally an amazing Thomas. I love it. I really hope that I'm gonna keep this little guy for the rest of my years. Little guy, I'm a big guy, excuse me. But I'm still even gonna keep this guy. Even if the reboot dies, I'm keeping him. He is a really neat part of my collection. And I think the whistling feature is a really cool piece of Thomas. It's just a really cool piece that Thomas has on him. Because we've seen Thomas whistle in the past, I'll throw up photos right here, but he never has it built in. It's usually one of those whistles that you gotta blow into the back of him and then he's got the mechanism inside. But never that you actually have to push a button on him to make him whistle. So, really cool. Again, I'm probably playing with that all day. Hey guys, Matthew the RBX fan from the future here. I completely forgot to do some to show you all sides of Thomas and the stuff. I only showed you the top in the video, but I'm gonna rectify that right now. So again, sorry if the camera shakes because I'm not using my tripod anymore. Anyway, let's do that. So here is his right side. Pretty generic. It's got his big number 1, and people reckon, of course, and me and myself as well, even reckon that this was done to represent the Railway series because Thomas had a giant number 1 in Railway series books anyway. So, yeah, good job, Mattel. I'm gonna move now. Let's move to the back. Oh, dude, come on! It would have taken 2 seconds to paint the 2 back buffers. Well, the front buffers are painted. Why didn't you do the back? Mattel, you had your chance to do this. Why? Oh man. Looks like I'll have to do it myself. Really? You could have painted in the frickin' back lamp, but you have the front one painted as well? Mattel! Oh well. Oh yeah, quick disclaimer, Thomas's side rods go a little funky as well from time to time, so don't expect this to be like show accurate, but it is pretty as accurate as you're gonna get. Anyway, here's the underside. This is gonna be hard to show because it's all black, but I'll try my best. You got the name right here, it says Thomas. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see that because of the lighting. Yeah, there you go, you can see it, Thomas. They got some pretty nice undercarriage detail right under here. I love that. I love that they got how they do that. Makes it look more like the actual engine from the show. Also, I want to point out something stupid I think Mattel did. It's kind of a missed opportunity in my opinion. Mattel only put 2 parts of the rod on the model. However, they have the 3rd wheel just spinning randomly, and so, like, it would have been a good opportunity to put this, like, on the correct way. I think if we had this slapped on the 3rd wheel, we would have had Peak. And, yeah, we have the Thomas & Friends logo there. Still mixed on it, really. I mean, I know it's the same brand, but still, I'm kind of mixed on the logo. I mean, I like it some way, but in reality, it's okay, I guess. Anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you've got the other side, which is pretty much the same as the one you just saw. Trying not to get my hand on this video, I'm sorry, guys. And then you've got your whistle. Got your strips, and then I'm not gonna do the whistle because you guys already know what it sounds like. There you go. And then you got his face. Hello. He looks so damn good. I love it. Anyway, sorry about that. Now is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, consider smashing a like to help me out. Subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. We're on the road to 1,140, or wait, 1,140 subscribers. Yeah, basically that's all I wanted to do. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, Thomas. Bye-bye.